Okay, hey guys, I am in your Google Classroom right now and I'm going to show you, I'm going to kind of walk through your reading and writing logs with you. So I'm just going to use first period's Google Classroom as the guinea pig. So under classwork up here is where you'll see what we're working on for this week, which is week 2 for distant learning. So you have your question of the week, question of the day right here. I went ahead and entered mine there for you, and then you have a Google Slides where you can upload your picture in, so it's easy for me to click through and make sure that you've done that. So you need to get that done by 3 o'clock today. And then you have Monday's assignment. It has your kind of like your welcome slide that we do every day at school, and it tells you what's expected of you today. It has the document that you need, the article, and then it has the section A of your assignment for today, which is the vocabulary. And it looks like 6 of you guys have already gotten that done, so thank you. This will be due tomorrow at 3 o'clock, on Tuesday at 3 o'clock, okay? And I'm going to post some videos here in just a couple of seconds that walk you through both of these documents right here so you know what you're doing. For your reading and writing journals, let's look at the reading log first, okay? Super simple. I'm going to assign it to you on Monday, and it's going to be due the following Friday at 11:59. And the directions say, for each day of the school week, you will simply write 8 to 10 sentences on whatever comes to mind for that day. There is no prompt, no specific topic, or anything like that. This is simply what comes to mind for you and what you feel you need or want to write about. I will grade these journals by the week. Feel free to be honest but appropriate in your responses. You may choose to type your answers, or if you prefer to handwrite, you can handwrite them. You may do so and submit pictures at the end of the week. So for today, you're simply just going to click in the box and you're just going to start typing about whatever comes to your mind, just making sure that you're paying attention to this 8 to 10 sentence format right here. Use correct capitalization, punctuation, mechanics, all of that good paragraph writing stuff that you guys know how to do, okay? So you'll do that for each day this week. What I want you to do is work on it each day, but some of you just do whatever is best for you. Just make sure you get all the days done. Okay, so that's your writing log. And then your reading log is going to look a little bit different than what it looked last week. So here it is. It's going to be kind of the same setup as your writing log. I'm going to assign it to you on Monday morning, and it's going to be due the following Friday at 11:59. So for each day, I want you guys independently reading whatever it is you want to read. You can read the same book all week. You can read different books all week. It does not matter to me what you do. What matters to me is what goes in this document right here. So if you notice, there's some images that kind of go down the middle of this outline right here. So the books, so you would type the name of your book in this category right here. So I could type Romeo and Juliet. And then I read from pages 6 to 47 today. And then I'm going to go so I'm going to do my responses for each of these little icons. So the book icon means, what's the book about? What does the author want me to know? So that's what you would write, maybe 1 or 2 sentences in there. What you read about, what does the author want me to know? Then you would go down to your brain. And the brain is what surprised you, what changed, what was challenging, was anything confirmed, did any of my thinking come true, did any of my predictions come true? That's what you would write in that little section, 1 to 2 sentences. And then you would go down to your heart, and in your heart, what life lessons did you learn in that specific text that you read? How will this help you be better? What connections did you make? Anything along those lines. So it's just kind of getting you to think about different things as you're reading. And as you notice, you have those 3 icons every single day that you're reading. Like I said, you can read the same book all week, or you can read different books. It's totally up to you. It does not matter to me. With that said, I'm going to post in a little bit some ways for you to access online books for those of us that might not have a hard copy of a book. Guys, magazines are fine. Reading online is fine. Reading children's books to your little brothers and sisters is fine. It doesn't matter. I just want you reading. Okay? So that's how you do that.